Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, I just want to share with you some of the beauty supplements that I take. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. I post a video every Monday and Thursday. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. So today, like I said before, beauty supplements. So one of the beauty supplements that I've been taking for a number of years now is it's called your hair, skin, and nails by Swisse. Research shows that I might take this mainly for my hair, really, and skin as well, but mainly for my hair because I suffer from a bit of hair fallout. Um, research shows that to continue to keep your hair healthy, strong, and not thinning and not losing too much, to continue to keep your hair growing and regrowing, is to have 4 minerals. And the 4 minerals are biotin, iron, silica, and zinc. These 4 minerals are crucial in keeping our hair and skin healthy. So if you're looking for beauty supplements, or especially supplements for hair care, make sure you've got these 4 minerals, they call it: silica, zinc, biotin, and iron. So what I like about this Swisse is that it's got all these 4 ingredients. So I'll just read to you at the back here. It's got biotin, 2.6 milligram, iron 5 milligram, silica 85.56 milligram, zinc 15 milligram. It also has vitamin C 50 milligram, and milk thistle 1 gram. So I'm just going to open up and show you what the tablets look like. So there is 100 in here. Does it show? So this is what it looks like. Can you see? Yeah, okay. So it's very easy to swallow. It's not too big, yeah? Some tablets can be really, really big and it's very hard to swallow. So this is not too big. It's pretty average size. We just put this back. Very easy to swallow. I take this together with my astaxanthin, which I will talk about in another video because it needs a whole video by itself. So I take this along with my astaxanthin. So 1 tablet each a day. So this one is 100 tablets. And what I really like about the Swisse is they've got other multivitamins too for women, which I have tried and I felt they're really good. But this is the one that I keep taking over and over again. It's just so well priced. You can get this from the Chemist Warehouse here in New Zealand. For 100 tablets, it's $24.95. So really it's $25 for a box of 100. And if you're only taking one a day, I mean, this lasts you 3 months because it's 100 here. So this is what I've been taking, and you can try this brand or other brands out there. I think you can even purchase this from your local supermarket. Yeah, this is what I've been taking for the last 6 to 8 years. So yeah, definitely. To me, To me, beauty is skin deep. It's more than just applying makeup, skincare. To me, your lifestyle and what you eat, what you consume also helps with how you look. So I always believe in having enough rest, having sufficient exercise, even just basic walking, a good, well-balanced diet, and especially I feel that if you are 40 and up, you're a mature lady, we need to start taking, we need to start taking vitamins or supplements, something like this. Or the Swisse brand also have other supplements for ladies 40 plus or 50 plus, and that's just add a bit of nutrient and minerals into our bodies. Our bodies just slow down a bit in producing the minerals, in converting food into minerals. So this just help to add to that. So this is what I take. If you're wondering what else I take to help to retain good, healthy skin, hair, and nails. So this is what I take. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.